Yet?
Yeah.
Hey, it's Tutorial Tuesday. Woo woo. And yay! And my kids have a snow day. Oh, the yelling, it never stops. Okay, so I put up a little poll, and I tried to do it twice, so it got a little screwed up. And I got it like, I think, one vote for almost everything. No, Bella's just shaking for me. Shake it up good, Bells. So your choices were ombre, an eye look, or lipsense's blush. And like everything got a vote, so I'm going to go ahead and go with lipsense's blush. Because it's been a while. Do you have socks on here? Go finish getting ready. Socks, shoes, all that great stuff. Okay. So, and try not to bonk my stuff. Okay. So there's a couple different ways, if my daughter would quit bonking my thing, that you can do lipsense's blush. You can use Pearlizer. You can use white concealer, or you can use your daytime moisturizer, okay? And what are you doing? What are you doing? You want me to rush, and then you're going to mess with me. I swear to God, I will break it off in there. I'm not even kidding. Okay, so anyway, I'm completely losing my train of thought, and I've got all kinds of people that are bothering me right now. So anyways, I have to hurry up because we're leaving soon. Okay, so lipsense, daytime moisturizer. Like I said, you can use Pearlizer or white concealer. I actually really like using Pearlizer because it gives you like a little shimmer. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and I was going to use the daytime moisturizer, but I think I'm going to go ahead and use Pearlizer. This is kind of like translucent, but it gives you that J-Lo glow. So this is good for any skin type. Bella!
Sorry!
Oh my God, that's like the 4th time you bonked my thing, and now it's falling down. All right, stand by, people. I got to spin you a little bit here, because I got to get my thing. My tripod is, hey, Katrina. My tripod is, hey, Britt, is being messy. Okay, so Pearlizer, J-Lo glow stuff. This stuff I like to mix with my foundation. I like to add on in little spots where I want to highlight and be all glowy and get that dewy, little dew-kissed look. So, what you do, you can use like a little, if you have little kids and you have a little paint palette, you can use one of those. But I do like a little bit of Pearlizer, hey Trini, like that on my lid. And then today I am going to use Bella as my blush. Okay, and then obviously you want to shake it up really well. Okay, and then you just kind of like roll your color off onto your palette, if you will. I don't think this is shaken very well. I apologize. Okay, so you want to make sure you got enough on there to like get a color going. This is hard to do on camera, so I apologize if this looks funky. I'm trying to like roll all this color off on here. I want to be able to have enough on here to do both my cheeks. Okay, so then you can take the bottom of your brush. I like to use this angled brush for my blushes. You can see I use cherry a lot. It's very cherry. I need to clean my brushes. Okay, so then you've got, now if this was your moisturizer or your white concealer, same thing, and you just kind of like mix it up together. Ooh. Like so with the bottom of your brush. Get it all mixy. Like so. And then you can just take it from the bottom of your brush here and just dab it on your cheeks. Pull up your cheekbone line there. Go on this side. Get a little bit more. Dab. Belle, can you go grab me a, yeah, please. And then just blend it in. See? So you can literally turn any lipsense color into blush. This is also a way to use lipsense on your eyes. But did you see how easy that was? Just mix. Slap it on your cheeks. Voila. Done.
Voila.
That's it. That's all you got. Okay. So, since I have to make this quick, because I have somewhere to be, and I have to finish up my makeup, what can I say? There's 2 days left. 2 days. Okay? You like this stuff. You buy it. You want to buy it. You like makeup, you like skincare, all that great jazz. Okay, So what's your next step? What do I do? If Sam's Club or Costco turned around and said, you know what, everybody, we are going to give you your membership fee back, what would you do? Well, you would run to Costco and you would sign your happy little tushies up, wouldn't you? You'd be like, score, I'm there. I can't see. Sorry, I keep turning around because I'm looking for a certain shade and I can't see it. So you'd run your happy little butt over to Costco and you would sign your butt up. And you would be like, I'm there, get me my, I don't even know how much is a Costco membership, like $65? You'd be like, give me my $65 in free stuff. I signed up, and then you'd shop at Costco all the time because you just basically got your membership for free. Okay, same thing, okay? Not to mention, who wouldn't love to shop in the comfort of their own home, okay? Do you just want to keep it as a beauty membership for the discount? Great, keep it as a beauty membership for the discount. Perfect, go right ahead. No big deal. It's what you want to do with it, okay? You want to decide that you want to sell to your friends and your family. Okay, go ahead. Sell to your friends and your family. No problem. You could totally do that, okay? You want to decide that you want to take this a step further and you want to host Facebook parties for complete strangers, and you want to go out and, do beauty demos for people and do vendor events and, really kind of turn this into a big home-based business and, be a gloss boss and, be a, stay-at-home mom that works from home. Great. Hey, Debbie, those are all options, okay? But... and you can still do this after the 31st, obviously. You can still do all those things, don't get me wrong. But after the 31st, you're not going to get the $55 back in product. So it's kind of a no-brainer if you've ever wanted, even if you've never tried, even if you just want to try lIpsense, why not get your membership fee and get your starter kit fee back? You get it for free, basically. You get a better discount. You're gonna get 20% right off the rip on anything that you buy. I'm almost done, love.
No, 4 minutes.
Oh, I hit the 4-minute warning. Okay, so incidentally, I did Mocha Java shimmer all over my whole lid, and I just did the leftover Bella and Pearlizer on in my corners there. Probably gonna darken that up a little bit. Yeah, total no-brainer. Total no-brainer. Okay? Like, anybody that likes makeup, anybody that's good at makeup, Britt, I don't know if you're still on. Girl, oh my god. You would be so killer at this. Like, okay. My husband's cousin, Brittany, is gorgeous. Gorgeous, okay? I mean, like, girl should be a freaking model. I have no idea why she's not. And, yeah. Like, she's the kind of woman that, like, you see a product on and you would totally buy that product just because you want to look like her. You're like, oh my god, she's freaking beautiful. Is that what she has on her eyes? Oh my god, I need that eyeshadow. Like, she would totally kill at this. Totally kill. Because she's just so pretty and everybody's going to want to look like her. So everybody's going to buy the makeup that she's wearing. It's like again, no-brainer. Okay, so if you're getting compliments on your makeup all the time and you already wear this stuff, okay, girl, let me tell you, just sign up. You've already got a built-in customer base. Even if you don't wear this stuff and you get compliments on your makeup all the time, you've got a built-in customer base already because you have people that are always complimenting on your makeup. You're going to be like checking out at Walmart or something, and somebody's been like, oh my god, I love your eyeshadow, it's so pretty. And you're gonna be like, oh, thanks. And then, you hand them your business card or you hand them a beauty book, and you're like, join my Facebook group. I do demos all the time. I talk about, makeup, or I have tutorials that show you how to look like me, and all that great jazz. Okay, so that's where I'm at with that. You've got 2 days. Don't miss out because you will be kicking yourself in the pants about it. I'm going to hop off here so I can finish putting my face together. And that's that. So anyways, rose gold, Bella with Pearlizer, Mocha Java all over. I'm going to add some Gilded Shimmer Sense and then my mascara and do my brows. And get the heck out of Dodge. All right, guys. Love you. Happy Tuesday.